What's going on, people? Right here's a 2015 Toyota Camry. 2015. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this fender. But in order to take off this fender, you gotta move the headlamp first. First, you gotta take off the bumper, and then you move the headlamp. You move them 2 screws from there to get the headlamps out. It's 1, 2, 3. One down there as well. You're gonna move that screw from there. Once you guys take those screws out, this headlamp comes off. All right, and then you're gonna move this piece out of the way. Get that piece out of the way. Move that screw, that one, and that one. You're gonna move this rubber. I believe there's a screw down there as well. There's 1 screw there. You're gonna take off this rocker molding. You're gonna take them 2 screws from there and use a sharp object and knock them square clips out of there. There's a screw up on here, and go ahead and take the clips from up underneath the rocker, and you're gonna move back the rocker, and there is a screw that's holding the panel. Over here, you're gonna take this clip out of there, and you're gonna move that screw from there. All right, so you guys stay tuned so I show you. See the screw right there, right there. That's how you move this piece out of the way. The screw right there. Make sure you remove the clip that is on the liner. Take those 2 screws out. Use something sharp like this to knock them clips out of there. Going to take a screw from there. Okay, these clips is up underneath the rocker. Go ahead and take out the first 5 and then pull back the rocker. pull back the rocker, there is a screw that is right there. Go ahead and move that. There's one right up there. And I think that should do it. Go ahead and take off the fender. Easy peasy, baby. 1, 2, 3. ABC. That's what we do. See you too. See you in another one, guys. I'm out of here.